Hello and welcome you all. Today we will do new method to find the roots of a quadratic equation known as factorization method. As you can see, I have written the algo to find the root of quadratic equation. So let's say in our first question, which is solve the following equation by factorization method. So first part is x square minus 2ax plus a square minus b square equal to 0. Now, as per our algo, first step is that we have to take the constant term from our given quadratic equation. So in our given quadratic equation, constant term is a square minus b square, and at the same time take the middle term, which is minus 2ax. Now our second step is, with the help of this constant term, we have to make the middle term. So when we factorize our constant term, which is a square minus b square, it can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So with the help of this terms, that is a minus b and a plus b, we have to make minus 2ax, which is our middle term. So I can write minus 2ax as minus bracket and sum of the factors of our constant term, which is a minus b plus a plus b into x. So when you solve this, you get minus 2ax, and now substitute this term minus a minus b plus a plus b into x in place of our middle term. So we get x square minus a minus b plus a plus b into x and plus a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to 0. Now from here we get x square minus a minus b into x, and then minus into plus minus a plus b into x and plus a minus b and a plus b equal to 0. So from x square minus a minus b into x, we will take x as common. So in bracket we get x minus a minus b, and from a plus b into x plus a minus b into a plus b, we will take minus of a plus b as common. So in bracket we get x minus a minus b, which is equal to 0. So from here we get two factors, which are x minus a plus b and x minus a minus b. And now when we equate it with 0, we get x equal to a plus b and x equal to a minus b. So now our second question for today is solve 4x square minus 4a square x plus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 equal to 0. Now again we will follow the same procedure. So first we will take the constant term, which is a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. And I can write this a to the power 4 as a square whole square, and this b to the power 4 as b square whole square. So from here we get a square minus b square into a square plus b square. Now our middle term is minus 4a square x. Now with the help of constant term, we have to make the middle term. So I can write minus 4a square x equal to, when we sum up the factors of a4 minus b4, we get a square minus b square plus a square plus b square, and on solving it we get 2a square in bracket. So when we multiply it by 2, we get minus 4a square x. Now in place of minus 4a square x, substitute this value of middle term. So we get 4x square minus 2 into a square minus b square plus a square plus b square into x and plus a square minus b square into a square plus b square equal to 0. And now we will further solve it. So 4x square and then multiply minus 2 into a square minus b square into x, and then minus into plus minus, so minus 2 into a square plus b square into x, and then plus a square minus b square into a square plus b square equal to 0. Now from 4x square minus 2 into a square minus b square into x, we will take 2x as common. So in bracket we get 2x minus a square minus b square, and from next three terms we will take minus of a square plus b square as common. So in bracket we get 2x minus a square minus b square equal to 0. So from here we get two factors, which are 2x minus a square plus b square and 2x minus a square minus b square equal to 0. Now on equating it with 0, we get x equal to a square plus b square upon 2 and x equal to a square minus b square upon 2. Now practice this question, mention on your screen and share me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much.